First, open Blender and then click on File, Import OBJ file. Choose our airplane and click on Import. Yeah, so, and then make sure you click on the airplane and change the scale, otherwise it's too large to display. Oh, okay, so, and change the rotation XYZ both to 0. I also adjust our axis, and then I import it again because we need 2 airplanes, right? So I just click on a new collection and import again. Alright, repeat the scaling process. Alright, yeah, make them in the same initial state. Also, here is a cubic. We need to delete this cubic. Right, so we have 2 airplanes. We can click on this wheel, and then we hide them, both of them, and then we click this, can show this airplane. Yeah, and you also need to click on, I think, like the rotation, and then you can rotate this airplane by this, like, click on this green curve, this blue curve. Yeah, that's it.